Today is the day the exhaust has finally arrived. The exhaust actually arrived late last night. I wanted to open it yesterday, but I wanted to do an unboxing on camera, so we're opening it right now. The anticipation is killing me. 2 weeks ago, Nick and I painted the garage. We're trying to make this place a little more presentable, just for you, just for you. So yesterday, we had an electrician come in and install this interior lighting. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Whoa, the purple looks so good. It's like showroom bright in here now. But before we unbox the exhaust, check out this poster. Shout out to my neighbor Zane. This thing is so sick. A purple Lamborghini Veneno, whatever you want to pronounce it as. A purple Veneno coupe. Someday guys, on the channel, I'm gonna own a Veneno Roadster and we're gonna wrap it purple. If that makes you triggered, be sure to subscribe because in 10 years, one of these is gonna be in the garage. Well, probably not Nick's garage, maybe in my own garage. More to come. This is a long time coming. For the first time on the channel, I present to you the new exhaust from Frequency Intelligence. Dun 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 dun! All right, scissors. Scissors. The age-old scissor vlog. Where are the scissors? I'm almost sure. Nope. They're probably just exactly where you'd expect them. Yep. Here we go. Whoa! Check this out! Whoa! You can't really see much right now, but here we go. Check this out, guys! Do you see what I see? Whoa! This is sick. I am struggling unboxing this right now, though. No way, boys, we are moving on up in the world. We're gonna see fireballs from here to North Carolina. Frequency Intelligence exhaust, Lamborghini Aventador Volcano number 59. No way. So this is a $12,000 setup. The exhaust tips, I think, are in that box right there. That's gonna look insane, no way. So we have the gold exhaust tips. It's gonna look crazy on the purple. What? I know what this is. I know exactly what this is. We have Valvetronic. So when you want the exhaust to be really loud, you press the on button. When you want it to be really quiet, you press the off button. This is so sick. Do you remember when I was talking about installing the exhaust on the Aventador myself? Well, this little baggie right here, this is why I'm not doing it, because sometimes in life, not pretty much all the time in life, I would probably blow up Nick's house, and that'd be a bad day. So, yeah. Anyways, carry on. We have the catback Valvetronic muffler, we got the high flow pipes, the exhaust tips, the control module, and we have the heat shielding right there. As you might say, now we're rolling. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to get this installed, but we have bad news. I don't know how to really say this, but we're not getting the exhaust installed in today's video. Oh. I know, trust me, if anybody wanted to get it installed today, it's me. It's not that I don't want to, it's that I can't, because we're not on the schedule today. We are tomorrow, but not today. This could be the last cold startup with the stock exhaust. We're not really sure. It could be. I also might do it again tomorrow. I don't know, I'm not sure. We're gonna try to fit the exhaust in the passenger seat. My expectations are pretty low. I just realized I need a blanket to protect the leather, so blanket first, then exhaust. I'll be back. Fittingly enough, it's purple. This blanket's gonna protect the leather, hopefully. That's kind of the theory behind it. Anyways. We've run into a bit of a situation. It doesn't fit. It doesn't fit. We're gonna have to take the R8. I may have figured out a solution. It kind of sort of works. Let's evaluate. I would reckon this is definitely safe to drive. We're good, we're good. I'm not really sure how this is gonna go because, well, I can't see over there, but sometimes in life, it's a V12, it's a V12. We can't take the R8 because I can't make right turns because I can't see out of it. We're gonna take the Subaru, so. Be sure to go check out Nick's channel. There's a link in the description below. All my cars are nonsense. I mean, the Jeep isn't here. If the Jeep was here, it would be good. But the Jeep is, it's 45 minutes that way. Cold startup, Subaru Outback. No, come back, GT3! Come on, Subaru! Go, 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 go! Come on, we gotta catch the GT3. That's dankers! Come on, go, go, go. It's bobbing and weaving. I don't think we're gonna catch him. It's a yellow GT3. Get out of the way, Hyundai. I'm sorry, guys. That's the best thing. Wait. But wait, the Subaru's got another gear. Hit it. Okay, so I'm supposed to take 900 south. We're gonna take 1300 south because sometimes in life, you gotta chase the GT3. Ooh, that sounds so good. Whoa, what's up, Doc? Here for the viewers. Come on, accelerate. Ooh. Whoa, we got a GTC4 Lusso and a Murcielago. And what's up, Ty? What's up? He didn't recognize me in the Subaru. I think it accentuates my eyes, though.
That's not an R8.
Isn't it nice, though?
That is not an R8.
The color accentuates my eyes.
It does.
It does. It wouldn't fit in the R8 either.
Oh, man.
Oh, man, you're gonna get it for me? Oh, the convenience, the service. This is so great. I have a bunch more in the back, too. I'll bring that. So Ty just installed a new exhaust on this as well, and I'm pretty sure he's gonna start it up for me. And we have the manual first gen Murcielago. Wait until you see these, Ty. They're so sick. Sometimes in life, you need gold exhaust tips, right?
I love gold.
Isn't that crazy?
Wow. That is... Yep. Pretty awesome.
GT3 RS, and then Chad's Diablo's getting some work done on as well. One mad GT, we got the 5.7 liter V12. So this is a 91 Diablo with the GT body kit. Ty is getting the keys to the GTC4 Lusso, and I think we're gonna go rev it. This is a Novatec exhaust, GTC4 Lusso. Yes. Yes. Okay. Whoa. Ty said it sounded good. It sounds very good. One more, Ty. Novatec. Yep. I need a FF or a GTC4 Lusso in my life. I think that could be the replacement for the Audi R8. Yes or no in the comments below. Look at these bumpers on the ceiling. So cool. Baby Mac. Makes and models is stacked right now. We got Baby Mac front and center, 488 Spider, 488 Coupe. We got the V8 R8, the GT3 RS, the GT3. We got the LP560. We got the 599, the Huracan Super Trofeo, the Audi R8. Baby Mac is sitting front and center. So the giveaway is effectively over. If you want to win this car, I'm sorry. You can't anymore. December 15th was the last day to enter. That being said, the winner has not been selected. The winner is going to be chosen December 23rd. I'm going to call one of you guys, 801 area code. So if you get a call this Sunday, December 23rd, 801 area code, it probably means you won the Baby Mac. And then that video will go live Christmas Day. Now, the winner will not actually pick up this car on Christmas Day. It's going to kind of sort of depend on their schedule. I'd imagine the winner will come get the car maybe the first week of January. We also got the Evo. Whoa, GT3. You guys might remember this Novatec 488, but check it out. We're on TV here at Makes and Models. This was the day I picked up the Aventador, and we stayed at the sketchy hotel. Do you guys remember that? It was like $38. Anyways, 488 Spider is looking killer as well. So guys, I am never gonna drive the McLaren 570S ever again unless the owner wants me to teach him how to use launch control. So that'd be cool. Do you remember that RS3 that I just like glanced over that was next to the LP560? Ty thinks I should sell my R8 and get an Audi RS3, yes. Tune it, down pipes, and it'll do 9-second quarter miles?
That's what I'm told.
Is that true?
Yeah, that's what I think I've seen.
Okay, that's what we've heard. That's not like 100%, but it could be true. It could also not be. This thing is pretty sick. What's it for sale for?
I think like 60. 50, 58 or so.
Okay, that's kind of sort of what the R8 is worth.
Yeah.
Whoa. We might be getting a startup, I'm not sure. Thing's pretty sick. Oh yeah, Alcantara steering wheel right there. That's well nice. Just so you know, Ty is a buddy of mine. He's not a sales guy, so this isn't like a sales pitch or anything like that. This thing is sick though. 5-cylinder. How much power is it stock, do you know?
I'm not sure.
Okay, we don't know. Wikipedia? Boom.
Wiki.
We'll get back to you, we'll get back to you. So brand new, it's 56,000 with no options, 400 horsepower, but with downpipes and a tune, maybe sub 10-second quarter miles. That's what we're kind of sort of thinking. We're pretty sure. More research.
Yeah, we'll look.
That GTC4 Lucid with the Novatec setup is insane. We got the Murcielago. And check out this Raptor. If there's any Ford execs watching today's video, I hope you're having a great day. Baby Mac is famous here on Main Street in downtown Salt Lake City. I have no idea where we're going or what we're doing. Life lesson, if someone lets you borrow their car, always fill it up. The rear bumper on the Aventador is orange, and that's because Makes and Models is doing the exhaust install tomorrow. I'm gonna take the bumper back to Summit Auto Lab. Clayton's gonna wrap it purple, and then we're gonna piece the whole car back together. So, yeah. Don't worry about the weird mattresses. I think Gordon's here. Oh, what's up? He's here. Gotta flex the cars for Gordon. All the way from California. What's up? Oh, you forgot to rev it! For the neighbors! They hate me enough as it is. Oh, whoa! Jeez. Alright, that's enough! That's enough! The neighbors are not gonna be happy. Smug smile. In the most exciting sequence in the vlog, we're headed to Chili's for the 3 for $10. That new exhaust is coming tomorrow, boys. We don't take the Aventador out for dinner very often, but when we do, we come to Chili's. But did you notice? It doesn't squeak. We got no squeak. No squeak.
You're welcome for that.
You didn't do anything.
Oh, in the middle of the night, I went down WD-40 then.
Is that gonna be on your channel?
It's the greatest ongoing joke that I've been pulling on you.
Is that gonna be on your channel?
Yeah. When I don't do it, it squeaks.
Dude, Gordon, what'd you get? You got ribs and 2 servings of fries?
Double fries, baby. That's
What?
how I roll.
Whoa.
I think cue the song.
What? No.
I want my baby back, baby back, baby back, baby back. I want my baby back, baby back, baby back, back. I want my baby back, baby back, baby back. Chili, baby back ribs.
I don't think I can eat anything else the rest of the week, guys. I feel so fat. Like, so fat. Yep. Oh, thank you so much. You're very welcome. All right, there's always room for a cookie skillet. That is going to effectively end today's video. Tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. we are getting the new exhaust installed on the Aventador. It is 12:30, so I gotta edit this video and then get off to bed. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.